going on, guys? It is November 14th, 2023. I went and looked at two boilers today. We do a lot of work at this facility, but we never looked at the boilers. They're pretty big boilers. For my standards, they're big boilers. They're about, 800,000 BTUs, maybe a million BTUs each. And we told the guy that's a little out of our wheelhouse, but he really didn't want another contractor in there. And after looking at these boilers, I can see why he didn't want anybody else in there. But, the one takes a 7-gallon nozzle. The other one takes two 4.5-gallon nozzles. And that's about twice the size of what I'm used to. I have one boiler I maintain that takes a 4-gallon nozzle. Everything else is 2-gallon and below residential stuff. So, I don't mind working on the stuff. It's just these boilers are in pretty bad shape. So I'm going to let you guys make the determination. Let me know if I should stick it out, shut up, and work on these things, or should I tuck tail and run? So let me know. Here it goes. Well, I'm fitting to have some fun. I got two of these babies I got to service. Now, I'm not opening them up and scrubbing them out or anything like that, although if it needs it, we'll have to do it. But I am gonna clean the burners. I'm going to change the nozzle and filters, and I'm gonna do a combustion test on them. I'm just here today, it's the end of the day, seeing what the nozzle sizes are, filter sizes, and seeing what exactly I'm getting into with these things. So buckle up. Yeah, they're actually not that sooted. All this could definitely be cleaned. I'll probably vacuum all that out. But they don't look that sooted, actually. So all things considered, I think these things burn pretty clean. Exhaust over there. Look at this barometric damper. Holy crap. It doesn't even really work that well. Let's see if we can get that working any better. Has anybody even done it? Okay, there's the hole right there. I was gonna say, has anybody even done a combustion test on these things? Yep, here's the first one. So, like I said, I'm just gonna see what my nozzle sizes and all are today. I already know what size filter it is. It takes the large general filter. And let me see what my nozzle size is. Get a rough idea of how much I gotta scrub and vacuum. We'll move to the other one. This was someone's combustion report at one time. It's gone now. Contains asbestos. Okay, very nice. She's an oldie. I'd say this boiler is at least from the 70s. I don't know, any of those old boiler guys, let me know. Quiet Heat Division, Brooklyn, New York. Let me know, guys, how old is this thing? Oh boy, look at these nozzles, guys. Yummy. Dual nozzles. Oh my god, not even gaffed right. Holy crap. They've probably just been sparking wherever the hell they can. Oh yeah. We got our work cut out for us, guys. Sure do. At least spray some stuff on there so I can see what size those nozzles are. Take apart quite a bit of stuff just to get them out. See, I usually don't work on stuff this big, guys. You know, the biggest nozzle I might work on is 2 gallons, something like that. I can only imagine how big these are. But I had to take one of these igniters off. I got them cleaned up enough to get the nozzle size 4.5 by 60B. But look at this. This has been firing on top of the nozzle so long, it's actually melted it. It's melted the nozzle. You see those grooves in it? That is crazy. And one of these igniter rods broke right off. It's supposed to go on there. Just like that. That broke off. Man, oh man. What have I got myself into, guys? Alright, well, I was able to bend it back enough to get it hooked back, so hopefully that grabs enough to get them by, but we've got ourselves into something here, guys. We're in trouble. We're gonna do the best we can with it. Try to straighten these igniters out enough so they're at least not firing on the actual nozzle. That is crazy. I've never seen that happen before. This other side is absolutely no better. Look at that. That is crazy how they ended up that jacked up. Those nozzles are absolutely screwed. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. That is crazy. I'm going to need to do so much to these things. I'm going to need new igniters, new nozzles. Hopefully I can get these rods too. Man, these things are in rough shape. Oh my God. What have I got myself into? Look at this beast go. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not even sure I really want to work on this thing. As old as in the condition it's in. We're talking 8 gallons of oil an hour. We'll see. I mean, I'll at least change the nozzles and get the electrodes and all straightened out for them. Let's go take a look at the other one now. Here's the other one. Got a different burner on it. I don't know if this burner's more modern or what. I don't know, guys. You tell me. Should I let these walk? This one's got a power fin on it. Wow. That other one didn't have that. I'd be willing to bet this has a very similar nozzle size. Kill switch. I don't want to just shut down anything. Oh, that's the light. Transformer, circ pump. Boiler ignition motor. There we go. Alright. Let's see. This nozzle's in a little better shape. It's a 7 by 60B. Big one. You guys let me know down in the comments if I should pass on this one or go ahead and at least give them nozzle change, filter change, combustion test. Man, this one's actually in worse shape. It's got a newer burner, but the boiler's in worse shape. God damn. So let me know down in the comments, guys. Should I just shut up, quit complaining, and do what I gotta do? Or should I tuck and run? Let me know down in the comments. Either way, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.